And we're gonna beat it. Go get him. Go get him. Go finish his ass. Go fucking...
Well, I can't, because he won't come near me.
Go cut his ass up. You need ammo.
I'm all out. Oh, I had to switch back to the chainsaw before he'd come back. That's weird.
There you go. He's like a human pinball.
There we go. Sideways slash.
My turn?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I can't be beat by little girl.
Pay attention to that timer. Good job. Uh-oh. Upskirt.
Oh my.
Whoa!
Woohoo!
This floating ghost ship is coming down.
The guy that was powering the ship that we're on is gone. Why is the ship going down?
Who would have thought? Load screen. Boobies. Oh, good job, dude. B+. Fucking rad on that one. Who you texting?
No one.
Hmm?
Just checking some messages.
Hmm?
Calling me out, mister.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I pay attention to you
I know.
when you play.
I pay attention to you too.
No, you fucking don't.
Yes, I do.
You're so mean,
I
man.
love you.
You're so fucking mean,
I
dude.
love you, Matthew.
It's cool.
Majin Matthew.
Yep.
O'Bannon Farm. 4:12 p.m.
So this is about as far as I've gotten.
I've never
This
been
whole
this far.
game. Yep.
This is it. This is new to us, loyal viewers.
It's all 15 of you.
All 15 of you. We are grateful for each and every single one of you.
Nick, where are you?
Right here, Julia.
I'm the cow.
What happened? I saved you.
Oh. Oh no.
Ineffective, just being ahead and all. I thought it would be better to just go for the gusto. You know, get undead.
He just like somehow found his body out there,
Yeah.
far away from their school where it was,
Mm-hmm.
and reattached, and yeah,
Yeah, aren't they? They are pretty far away from their school right now, right?
I think so.
You should be.
Yeah, they were on a ship that was flying. They were in crash.
You know, this is obviously a
Nightmare
dream sequence.
scenario.
Yeah.
Who?
My little sister.
Let me guess. She's also a freaking zombie hunter?
Hey, Julia.
Also, I like Madonna.
Yeah.
Irritating. Is that a new purse? Wait, it's your boyfriend. He's a decapitated head?
Okay.
All right.
Thing ever. I almost hit a bird. Look out.
Rosalind.
Secret dream to meet Justin Bieber. Is that what that said?
Ugh.
Shit. Sorry, it's not my fault. This
I don't want to say, like, fucking millennial. I kind of want to be like, fucking millennial.
Fucking weeb. Oh my god, press on the brakes, you idiot. There's 2 pedals.
Your family's kind of energetic, huh?
Do you smell that? Ugh. Something fishy. is
Something
going on.
fishy.
No. No way. This is all totally.
This is all totally normal. Like, that bus should be losing momentum. I'm sorry. Like, whoa.
No.
Really?
Yeah. I remember when I backflipped over a bus.
Alright. Oh, it just somehow conveniently leaves, like, perfectly.
Doesn't seem right.
I guess we should follow that bus, huh?
Guess you should have landed on that bus. Huh.
Wow.
That would have sped you through the level, huh?
I can shoot your
Nick Popper.
What?
He a little poppin' boy. Shoot the little poppy boy. That's a cute Sparkles.
Sparkles.
Mr. Sparkle.
Mr. Sparkuru. Mr. Sparkuru.
Okay, nothing over here.
I love the way
Oh, looks like we got Farmer John.
Farmer John.
Farmer Johnby. The zombie.
Hi, zombie.
Zombie the zombie.
Mecha lecka hi, mecha hiney ho.
And it's infested with zombies.
I love when they did that in Family Guy. And Brian was zombie.
Oh yeah.
And he's like, mecha lecka ha, oh my god, I hate you so much.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay! Total waste of an action right there.
Get those bullets though.
Give me a second. Okay.
Blaster bullet.
Ass blasters.
Ass blasters. Master blasters.
Get my blast in my
Caster
ass,
blasters.
please. Oh, look at. Oh, so I gotta shoot this rock now.
Oh, okay, that's why there's bullets.
Mmm.
Sure, a red barrel to blow up
senor.
everything that's close by.
Cool. So like that.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Okay.
just shooting him in the balls.
There you go.
Cool. Give me all the monies.
Yeah, take it. Give me the money. Give me the money.
Give me the loot. Give me the loot.
Down.
shit muffins. I can't get it to stop.
Okay.
Shoot now. What do I shoot? Oh.
On top.
Oh, so they just. Okay.
Just shoot them off her.
This is totally not hard whatsoever.
No, not at all. It's cool. It's good. You're fine.
I forgot you can lock on, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can't with the fucking gun.
It does a little bit.
Can I? Oh. It like snap locks on when
There
you
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 go.
pull it out.
Yeah. Like when it gets like just close enough, it'll snap on. But it snaps off like almost as easily.
Wait, no,
Aimbot.
This is awful, but hilarious.
Oh my god. How is that girl always crashing cars?
I don't know.
Oh no. What's up, Buster?
We better go help her.
Nick Popper.
Okay. It's a lot of farmer zombies.
Yeah. Farmer Zombies.
You don't have to be lonely
At farmersonly.com. Looking for a sponsor, Farmers Only.
Oh, look at that.
That one's for you, Farmers Only.
Tree.
Tree Viddy.
Cool. I had the body.
Stick me on that sucker.
Stick me on that fucker.
Woo!
He's popping and
Oh,
locking.
yeah, look at him dancing his way over.
Yeah,
Yeah. It looks like his original body, actually. That's probably why.
a little bit.
Good. Woo! Nice, dude.
Yeah.
I feel like I would have screwed up like a couple times.
Oh, is she dead?
Oh. No. Well, she's probably not even in it.
I saw her little body flopping around.
Oh, did she? Okay. Oop. I guess we'll find out on the next one.
Yeah. If there even is a next one.
Yeah, did it just crash?
You gotta be shitting me, man. You gotta be fucking shitting me, man.
I mean, good timing for it to crash, I guess.
Yeah. It's just life doesn't want us to play this. Or stream it or record it.
There's just something always happening with this game.
Yeah.
Fucking buddy. This.
What's going on? There's no pause. Well, maybe... Let me go back. This is Kem's profile, right?
Yes.
I think it might have saved.